Like from class 9. Good morning, all of my name is Bhargav. I am from class 9.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. India introduction. India, a land of diversity and rich heritage, has always been known for its local skills, handicraft, and industry. And the concept of local for local has been given by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to encourage people to support in Indian products, industries, and innovation. The idea can be made into self-reliant Atmanirbhar, and it transform it into Viksit Bharat, developed Bharat.
Now we talk about meaning of vocal for local. Vocal for local means promoting and prioritizing the use of local goods and services in Indian citizens to buy from Indian brands and support. Now we talk about the meaning of vocal for local. Vocal for local means promoting and prioritizing the use of local goods and services. It encourages citizens to buy from Indian brands and support locally artisans, farmers, manufacturers, and small scale industries. Being vocal means spreading awareness with pride in using Indian-made products, thus strengthening the nation's economy.
Now we talk about objective of the initiative to promote self-reliance and economic independence, to increase employment for local workers and artisans, to boost domestic manufacturing and reduce dependence on imports, to promote Indian culture, art, and traditional industries on global platform, to contribute Indian vision of becoming developed nation by 2047, Viksit Bharat.
Now we talk about the building of Viksit Bharat. When citizens prefer local goods over imported ones, money circulates within the country, strengthen economy, small and medium enterprises grow, leading to more job opportunities with innovation, skill development, and entrepreneurship. India can achieve industrial growth and technological advancement, key pillars to the developed nation.
Now we talk about example of success. Handloom and cutting are industries are gaining popularity. Second, promotion of Indian toys and organic food, traditional food. Third, growth of startups like Make in India and Startup India scheme. Fourth, digital platforms help local workers to reach on global platforms.
Now talk about challenges. First, competition from foreign brands. Second, lack of awareness and marketing support for small business. Third, quality and infrastructure issues in some sectors. Fourth, need for more investment in innovation and
मांग जा ते मॅम आलते ना थर्ड पॉईंट पासून म्हण थर्ड पॉईंट
innovation and
चांगल्यानं उभा राहा थर्ड पॉईंट
तभी तो बस तो पीछे से आए, उसी समय यहाँ से आते थे तो क्या होता था?
third, quality and infrastructure issues in some sector. Fourth, need for more investment in innovation.
Now we talk about vocal for contribution. Vocal for local, just it is not just a slogan. It is a movement toward self-sufficiency, pride, and national progress. By supporting local industries, we contribute to the vision of a Viksit Bharat, a strong, independent, and a prosperous India. Each citizen has a role to play in transforming India into a global leader through local empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you.